If you ever wondered how to play YouTube in the background of your device and totally without any ads, then you're right in this video. It works perfectly fine on Android phones, and you just use your internet browser to download the application you need. To get started, just open your browser and type in Revanced Extended as you see above, and then open the website revanced.net. Once opened, it should look like this, and there you have a download button and just download the application. When finished downloading, it may ask you to approve installation by unknown sources. Just check that box and install the app. When you're done, you should have the app on your phone now, and then you can just open it up. Now search for any channel or video you like and then click it and play it without any ads, and when you lock the screen, you can leave it running in the background for free. If that was helpful for you, please leave a like, subscribe and comment, and then see you next time. Bye.